following is an overview of our most frequently asked questions. True or false? Alcohol must be put in a bag after purchased. That is false. Bottles of beer must be opened by a bartender or server before served to a customer. That is false. A bar can serve beer to go. True. However, if opened, county or city open container ordinances may apply. Must have proper endorsements on city and county licenses. If a female is visibly pregnant, it is against state law to serve them alcohol. False. The alcohol license can be posted in a back office outside of the public view. This is false. Original, current licenses must be signed and prominently displayed in the premises. You can brew your own beer and wine for personal use. True, as long as beer and wine is not sold or an indirect sale is not completed. An example would be raffles or fundraisers. Can you distill your own liquor for personal use or consumption? No. Legal moonshine is available through Idaho liquor stores. That is true. How much out-of-state liquor can you transport into Idaho? It is unlawful for a person to possess more than 2 quarts of unstamped liquor, not subject to regulation. Can a bar give empty liquor bottles away to customers for home decoration? Yes, as long as the ISLD stamp has been properly defaced. Can liquor be sold on Election Day? Yes, county and city ordinances may prohibit this. Can bartenders drink while on duty? Yes, businesses' policies may prohibit this, but state law does not. Can you smoke in a bar attached to a restaurant accessible by a doorway within the restaurant? No. A bar within a restaurant must be physically isolated with floor-to-ceiling walls and have a separate outside entrance, and that cannot share a hallway or a lobby. Do you have to be an Idaho resident to own an alcohol license? No. U.S. citizenship is also not required. Can a bar be within 300 feet of a church or school? On-premises establishments cannot be within a residential neighborhood or within 300 feet of any public school, church, or other place of worship. Cities and counties may grant extensions to allow this. Does Idaho require bartenders and servers to receive formal training? No. However, some cities and counties do have ordinances that require formal training. Can an employee be 18 and serve alcohol? No. Employee must be 19. Is a college ID a valid form of ID in a licensed premises? No. ID must have a name, photograph, and date of birth. True or false? A bartender is not responsible for serving a minor if a bouncer has already checked and approved their identification or age. false. Bouncers, security are not required by state law and are a business decision. Bartenders must have knowledge that a patron is at least 21. Question. It is legal to wait to deface stamps on empty liquor bottles at the end of the shift. No. Stamps must be defaced immediately upon emptying. Is the licensee the only person responsible for what happens on the premises? No. Employees can be held accountable criminally and civilly. True or false? A 19-year-old bartender can stay inside a bar after their shift is over. False. The 19-year-old can only be in a bar during their course of employment. True or false? Games of skill are allowed inside a licensed premises. True. True or false? An employee can violate the law and cause the licensee to lose their alcohol license. True. True or false? Legally, identifications of a patron must be checked before consuming alcohol. False. An employee must have knowledge that they are over 21 years of age. True or false? A warrant or probable cause is required by law enforcement to inspect a licensed premise. False. A standard drink contains about 14 grams of pure alcohol. How many ounces of table wine is equivalent to a 12-ounce beer? 5 ounces of table wine. What is the brandy or spirit equivalent to a 12-ounce beer? 1.5 ounces of brandy or spirits.